Hello everyone, welcome to your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Shenseea continues to break music barriers after becoming the first female dancehall act to be nominated at the 54th NAACP Image Awards for Outstanding International Song for the single Diana. Diana is a collaboration with Afrobeat star Fireboy DML and R&B singer Chris Brown. The song is featured on Fireboy's third studio album titled Playboy, which was released last August. The song spent 2 weeks on the Billboard Afrobeat Songs chart, where it peaked at number 17. The other nominated songs in the category are Bad to Me by Wizkid, Last, everybody's favorite Burna Boy, No Woman No Cry by Thames, Stand Strong by Davido featuring Sunday Service Choir. The NAACP Image Awards is an annual ceremony presented by the US-based National Association for the Advancement of Colored People to honor outstanding performances in film, television, theater, music, and literature. Now, in other Shenseea news, she was also named as one of the performers for Coachella 2023 at Emporio Polo Club in Indio, California in April. Good job, Shen. On the international scene, the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, has announced that American singer Chris Brown has dethroned the king of rock and roll Elvis Presley as the male singer with the most certified gold singles. The RIAA revealed that Chris had scored his 56th gold single with the hit Call Me Every Day. This comes 6 months after Chris made headlines for replacing Presley as the Hot 100's most decorated male singer. Brown's cumulative single sales have risen to 92.5 million in the United States, thereby extending his position as one of the best-selling artists in digital song history. Chris Brown first surpassed Presley, who has 54 records, in October 22. That's thanks to his hit single, Under the Influence. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Be safe this weekend. Thank you for watching.